So what's up, Jayy Mafia? We back. I'm feeling better. My voice still off a little bit, but as y'all see, the snowstorm caught us. We're in Memphis, Indiana, at the Slums. I had to pull over here. It wasn't yesterday, but it was the day before, wasn't it? We've been here too. This second day we've been here, right? Well, damn. Okay, so this is the third day we've been here because I had to stop because I wasn't alert enough to drive, y'all. It was terrible. I couldn't stay focused while driving. I just couldn't put myself, Zoe, and other drivers, lives at risk. So, I just stuff it. Keep stuffing it. You want me to try and you talk to the peoples? But yeah, I didn't want to put nobody else's life in danger, you know what I'm saying? So I had to go in and pull over. I felt horrible. Yesterday I felt a little better. My throat was still hurting. But I felt better, but we couldn't move because we had got caught in a snowstorm, man. I can deal with the snow, but I can't deal with the sleet. If you're new here, I'm Day, that's Zoe. And we used to team drive for Covenant. But when we was in training, our trainer slept the whole time. So we never got the proper training on how to drive in the snowy weather. So when it snows, I be straight. But when okay. When it snows, I be straight, but when that ice start building, I think everyone should shut down, you know what I'm saying? So, we been here tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully. I know a lot of this probably gonna freeze over, but I'm praying that we'll be able to pull out tomorrow. I promise I am. Right now, we walking in the store, y'all, because we wasn't expecting the snow, so we didn't get no groceries. We have no groceries on the truck, y'all. So right now we finna try to get some food in here. And that's pretty much what's going on. When I say, hey, baby.
What's up, you guys? It's freezing.
It's definitely cold. You gotta be careful. Right, try not to bust ass or nothing. We apologize for the delays, y'all. But like I said, I got super sick. And then this. But we coming back. And we'll probably holler back at y'all once we get back to the truck for sure. Because we got to get focused and be careful so we don't fall. Alright, y'all. So as y'all see, we're back in the truck. We literally just witnessed a tanker's wheels lock up as he's trying to reverse and he's just sliding. And he's like in a rush to try to beat someone to a pump. And he ended up bagging into a trailer. Wheels just froze, y'all. Like, understand that it's okay to shut down. Don't let no trucker try to degrade you or say you're not a real trucker, who through this, who through that, because you decided your safety matters, bro. Like, shut down if needed. Why? There's no law or no amount of money that's more important than your life, bro, than your safety. And I knew he was finna do it. I'm looking at it and I'm like, yo, babe, hold on. He finna bag it to him. You started telling us to come on. And I'm like, you need to be looking in your mirrors, bro. Boom, you didn't bag into him.
So embarrassing.
Crazy, y'all. And when I say these people are pushing it, like,
they going in and out. We just been seeing them.
tricking has never been this important. To where your life need to be put on hold, like put last. So many truckers have passed away. I can't say this year because it's 2025. And then again, ain't no telling what truckers then passed away in these snowstorms. But so many truckers have passed away. And right after, even before they called the family members to let them know they didn't pass, they already done called another trucker to go pick up their load. So just know, like, it don't matter that your life is gone. Like, they just gonna call somebody to go pick up their load. But yeah, y'all, we haven't ate all day. Cause if y'all don't know, I think I told y'all earlier though, we forgot to get us food on the truck. So we for to eat, and we for to chill. And we'll holler back at y'all, you know, in a little bit. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. So I finally headed to Referral, Tennessee to drop a load off. I already got another pre-plan. Pick up somewhere in Tennessee. And I have to take it to Hinckley, Ohio. To Aldi. Been there plenty of times. I love it. Plenty of space, overnight parking, all that. Going to update you guys. Roads are pretty straight. Right now we on 65 South in Kentucky, and roads ain't been too bad. So they did in clearing them off and everything. It's gonna be dropped out by 12:13. So I know we gotta get some groceries on this truck for sure. I low-key want to get my truck washed, but I don't know if I'm gonna hit snow again. So I'm probably just gonna wait till we go home. Whatnot. Oh, whatever.
Clocking TV.
I am feeling better, y'all. Yes, my voice is still off, but I'm feeling a lot better. I do have a dry cough still, which I already know. I think I lost 3 pounds, maybe 5. I hate when I get sick because I lose weight. But hopefully, hopefully sick and all today. No lie, I'm trying to hit a Planet Fitness. So hopefully I can hit that. We can hit that, get that going in. But we really just wanted to bring y'all another video because we missed y'all. Hope y'all missed us. We are so close to 2,000 subbies, y'all. 2,000. That's crazy, babe. That's a blessing. It's such a blessing how we've been growing every single day. Like, there's never been a day we haven't gained subscribers. Like, no cap, y'all. So, like, we really, truly thank y'all. We thank y'all for y'all continued support. We thank y'all for continuously coming back, watching the videos and everything. I'm grateful for y'all, for real, bro. But yeah, y'all, we just want to ride, enjoy this beautiful snow scenery. We'll probably hit y'all back when we then made it to General Mills in Murfreesboro.
Alright, shy.
Cowboy Carter, time to strike a match and light up this juke joint.
Well, she got that water, King Man got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, don't pay me in gold. Giddy up, back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, when the sun goes down. Lay up, can hear her body howl. Feel her eyeing me like I heard your man when a hangman coming down. She's a tyrant, every time I ride it. Every time I ride it, make it look so good. Try to justify it. Boy, you know they looking for me, how we gonna hide it? Riding like I drive it, I am such a tyrant. Every time I ride it, every time I ride it. I don't like to sit up in the saddle, boy, I got it. Just relax, I got this. I got that excited, hips are so hypnotic. I am such a tyrant. She got that water, and man got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, don't put me in gold. Giddy up, back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, when the sun
Tell the truth, I'm getting really impatient. Don't want to show me to lean on. Even when my legs tired from waiting. I can't wait to go cash out. I've been searching and looking for cash routes. Everybody been talking about getting money. I'm trying to see what this cash about. Can't get a job, so it's back to the basics. I'm getting sick and tired of being patient. So many nights I've been staying on writing these songs and feeling out patient. Lord, I know you say hold on, but tell the truth, I'm getting really impatient. Don't want no shoulder to lean on. Even when my legs tired from waiting. Old homie try to snake me out. I don't know who won't take me out. I ride with that 40, I go show my own homie. If you try, I'ma put it on him on the phone. I feel like what it do. He like, tune only if you do. How they talk about you, how they downplay you. I was off for the team, a down player. Play myself to who ain't the real. I stood on the chest in the back for real. Watch all of that work come in and out. They were busting out for me some deals. Now all of them niggas I know that were real trappers in the beds and doing years. So I won't say no names, but keep it real. Oh, what you rapping, let's keep it real. Really be all in my face. Be plotting to take my little band. Then I know you cool with my partners. Mixing me again, I'm getting this poppin'. My niggas hungry, they won't show locate. Work my way up out the dirt. I came up from out the slums. I just say you want some money, but won't go and get you done. I show niggas how to eat. They can tell me be a bum. I took another route. They hate it when I find one. 100K, that's not enough. I'm grinding till I see a deal. Hitting hoes, rocking shows. I don't think I need a deal. Looked out when I never had to. Tell me I ain't real. Lost my mama, got me shed tears. I just keep it real. Homies still ain't check on two.
What that low lock all the way up there?
Huh?
Low lock all the way up there. You see it? It's clean.
I'm trying to see if they wash now.
That's what it seemed like, don't it? Who parked this? All on the line.
Unless somebody just like dropped it off.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, they did horrible.
Have to slide them tandems. I would slide your tandems. I got it.
loaded trailers is on the other side, and we're just waiting on the pre-trip to finish with this empty. I'm sure y'all seen it, but it's empty, clean and everything, so we ain't gotta worry about no washout. Y'all, last night I woke up out of my sleep coughing, and I feel my throat hurt. I said, oh no. So I went on and popped me some medicine in to catch it in time. And like I woke back up this morning and like my throat is good, but I can tell like mucus trying to develop in it. So I just been taking medicine because I ain't trying to get sick, or I ain't trying to be sick when we go home, because we go home this week. That's usually how it go. She gets sick first. I don't know why it go like that, because I don't never get sick first, but like she gets sick first and then I get sick. But I caught it in time this time. We usually picking up here, ain't we? We've been waiting in this line since like 3. I recorded a video. It was around 3:17, and it is now 4:42. This is the Tyson in Goodlettsville, Tennessee. And when I say like we hate coming here, we hate coming here. The line ain't never been like this when we came here, but it's like so like congested, like it's crowded. It's a small area. I'm gonna see how much longer we gonna be in this line. I see like we got two tractor and trailers, and then 3 bobtails, and then 3 more tractor trailer. Then it's us. I'm gonna see how much longer we're gonna be in this line. I might end up ending the vlog before we even get to the front of the gate, because I want to get this video up at a decent time, and then we just gonna resume back tomorrow and give y'all a little update. But babe, you got anything you want to say?
I'm hungry. Haven't ate all day. It feels good to be back on the road, for sure. Yeah, I'm just ready to get parked and get some food. I'm not over exaggerating. We haven't ate all day, and yeah, it's 4:43.
We haven't ate all day at all.
All my niggas that charge us like we playing the paint. Keep that smoking dang. Your guess they always say fame came with less amenities than most y'all think. I love this life I live, sipping on good drink. I need a house on the hill. Oh yeah, she gone off pills. I'm about to make a meal.